Hello creative people and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be showing you how I created this beautiful mini dress. So let's start with this video. Followed me, you know that I have been using this fabric for a few of my videos, and this is the leftover, so I really wanted to reuse it, and I decided to create this dress because I asked you on my post and you really wanted me to make it. So the first step, as always, is to place the pattern on the fabric, measure 1 cm for the sewing and cut out all of the pieces. Be aware if you're purchasing my patterns that are on Etsy or on FashionCells-English, you are not getting 1 cm sewing allowance. You always have to measure 1 cm for sewing allowance. I do not have the patterns with sewing allowance, just to clarify that. You can see the fabric is quite see-through and I really wanted to have an inner lining, so I did exactly the same steps for the inner lining fabric. So I used 2 fabrics for this dress, and of course the first steps once you have cut out all of the pieces is to sew the incisions. Always sew the incisions first and then you can move on with other pieces to sew. Here I forgot to actually cut out the back piece because I forgot that I'm going to add the zipper on the back, because this fabric does not have any elastic in it, which means it's not stretchy at all. So you need to have a zipper. Here are all of the pieces. You have 1 front piece with 2 side pieces, which are the back pieces that are going to cover the back, and of course 3 front pieces and 2 back pieces as well. And this is just an extra design that I really wanted to make just to form the breast better. There is 100% different, easier ways to create this type of dress, but I really wanted to form the breast because unfortunately I do have a little bit bigger boobs and I need to form my pieces when I make them. This is how it will look once all of the pieces are sewed together, and this is my inner lining that I will be placing it on the top, the edge here. I did exactly the same things, cut out and sew the inner lining, and now I'm gonna place it. And this is what you're going to end up with. The last step, of course, is the lower line that you can see it's a little bit fridging out, but we also need to close the dress, which is the back side. You can actually play differently here. You can add laces if you want, but I decided a hidden zipper is the perfect solution for this. I just don't hope it doesn't break. If you have lace, you are much more steady, it will not break, but you know, zippers always break here and there. So for me, I decided to add a hidden zipper, and I will actually do a tutorial separately where I will be showing you detailed how to place a hidden zipper if you don't know. But here is a little faster video. This is what you're gonna end up with. It's going to look beautiful from the inside and the outside. If you want, in the ending there or the opening, you can just add a little hook to make it much more steadier, and the zipper will actually hold much longer. For the lower line, I just folded 1 cm and I sewed the line, and that was it. Of course, you can always build and build and build on your design. You can always improve it. I added extra flowers here and there just to have it more volume, but you don't have to do this step. You can also add diamonds or whatever you wish, but I decided to add more flowers. The finishing product. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is super easy dress to create. Don't get fooled by many pieces, but it really is super easy. If you have other type of fabric, it will be easier because you don't have to do the inner lining, but I always prefer to do inner lining because it always looks better. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful and useful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. So stay tuned and see you soon again. Hejdå!